What's going on, guys? James Sandoval here, and in this video I'm going to show you the next steps to get your performance account with the company that I'm using to do my trading without using my own money. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm back, and like I said, in this video I'm going to show you what the next steps are after you pass the evaluation account. If you guys want to see those videos and how I explain how to get one, I'm going to leave the link somewhere here so you can watch that video. But basically, this is the company that I use for trading, so I don't have to use my own money, I don't have to risk my own money. I'm using their money. And basically what you do is you get an evaluation account first, and you have to abide by 3 rules. Those 3 rules are real simple. Number 1 is to make $3,000 profit. Number 2 is make those $3,000 without losing $2,500 on the way. And number 3 is do all this with a minimum of 10 trading days. You can take longer, but a minimum of 10 trading days. That way you can they can be sure that you are consistent and you are profitable in your trading. And so you pass that evaluation, which I already did. Like I said, I have those videos, you can watch those. And now this video is so you guys see what the next steps are to get into the performance account, which is the account that now I can trade and I can actually withdraw money into my bank account. So in front of you guys, you see this is the email that I got. So this is coming from them. Congratulations, your trade performance is confirmed. Cool. And then they actually give you a certificate. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick. All right, so we downloaded that. So here it is, guys, certificate. This is the company certificate of achievement. This is my name right there. It recognizes the successful completion of 50,000 trading evaluation and qualifying to operate a paid performance account February 1st, 2021. So that's pretty cool, guys. So again, you see that's the email, and then you have the next step. So we're gonna head and do that right now. Number 1, log into the support portal, and then click here to follow the final steps. So we're gonna go ahead and click here first. Basically, it opens that support, and it gives you here the next step. So we gotta download and review the popular letter, and then we have to click. We have to make the first data payment. So what this means is you have a monthly payment with them, of course, but that includes your data and your fees for NinjaTrader. So that's the platform I use, is NinjaTrader. So I think right now with the performance account, it's somewhere like $85 a month, which is, I mean, nothing, $85, and you get all the data and everything that you need to trade and make money with them. So it's basically you're just risking $85, right? Which is bare, it's nothing. On the evaluation account, I think it was on the $50,000 account, which is the one that I was using. I believe it's $170 a month. All right, so you guys know it's $170, which is still nothing compared to if you put on your own money. If you put $1,000 and you lose it all, or you put $5,000, and you lose money, you're only risking $170 on your evaluation, and over here it drops to $85. So it's a good thing. So coming back here is we had to make that first payment. They have to log in, make sure we give them all this information so that they know you submitted the payment, that you downloaded the contract, and then they basically just want your basic information. And then let's see here. Yeah, and then in about 48 hours of doing all this, actually within 72 hours, the performance accounts will be enabled. So I'm going to do all this today, so that today is the time of this recording is Tuesday. So maybe by Thursday or Friday, I would have the accounts ready to go so we can start trading again. So basically, guys, I just wanted to show you the last thing here in this video. I just wanted to make a short video. Is this okay? So this is what we pay. Yeah, $88 a month. That's going to be to have the account. Okay, and then let me just go back here. this right here. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is like the agreement that they have. So basically here you have all your information, and this is what I wanted to show you is they have a couple of options. They have the option 1, the accelerator, and basically what it is you get to you know, the here when you start trading this account, they have, let me see where that is. You guys can read all this, but basically the difference between the accelerator, they have the accelerator and they have the investor. They both, you have to trade the first 30 individual trading days. You have to trade the first 30 calendar days before you can ask for your first withdrawal. But basically the difference between the two is the accelerator, you get to withdraw more money the first time, but it comes with the drawdown that is a little bit shorter. And then the investor, it's a little bit of a long term. So you also have to trade the first 30 days and you can ask for withdrawals. The first minimum here, you can see here, it's for $1,000. You can, that's what the first one that you can withdraw. It's a minimum of $1,000 for the first 4 payouts. And then the 5th payout and beyond, there's no minimum or maximum that you can withdraw. But of course, you always have to have a balance in the threshold requirement. Which, you know, they give you back your $50,000 account. Once you place your first trade and you make, let's say $200, the threshold is going to stop at 50,100, and that's where the account stays. All right, so you can't go lower than that once you start trading. You can't lose more than that because that's where it's going to be following you throughout the account. But basically, guys, I just wanted to show you, once you pass the evaluation, this is what everything you have to go through, and then you get to choose whether you want to do the accelerator or the investor. I leave this here on the screen so you guys can maybe pause the video and read everything that has to do with this. That's the accelerator. This is the investor. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the investor, and then it gives you here the exact numbers, you know, the contracts that you can use, you know, how many contracts and all that good stuff. And it gives you all the details. Then right here gives you an example, you know, with a contract when you reach 52,600, so 2,500 plus the 100, you know, you can withdraw the difference between the 25 and 100. So you gotta leave a minimum of $1,000. It sounds complicated, guys, but it's not. I just wanted to put everything in this video really short. Like I said, you can pause and read all this. It explains, you know, the difference between the accounts, and then basically, you know, your taxes. Of course, we're going to pay taxes, your readme account, and it gives you all these other options. Basically, it's just as simple, and then down here, you just go ahead and submit all your information, sign it, and send it. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do all this. And once I get funded, then I'll start trading again. So hopefully you guys like this video. You learned something today. If you did, I would appreciate if you guys give a like this video. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. If this is the first time you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that notification bell. And that's it, guys. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.